Recovering deleted messages on Peacock can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Open the Peacock app. Launch the Peacock app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your messages. Step 2. Navigate to the Messages section. Look for the Messages or Notifications icon, usually located in the main menu or sidebar. Click on it to access your message history. Step 3. Check Archive Messages. Some platforms archive deleted messages instead of permanently removing them. Look for an archived or deleted folder within the Messages section to see if your messages are stored there. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you cannot find your deleted messages, reach out to Peacock's customer support. Provide them with relevant details about your account and the messages you wish to recover. Step 5. Follow recovery instructions. If customer support confirms that recovery is possible, follow their instructions carefully. They may guide you through a process to restore your messages or provide alternative solutions. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted messages on Peacock. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore additional resources or support options.